सौरभ एंड राहुल, मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है पीछे तक? आ रही है? ठीक आ रही है आवाज़? अभिषेक सन ऑफ नरेंद्र सिंह। ओके, अनाउंस करना तो वो तो मैं कर दूँगा। जब मैं बोल रही हूँ ना A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all to this Foundation Day and the convocation ceremony of University College of Medical Sciences, University of Delhi, here at Dr. Ambedkar International Center. I'm Dr. Mrinalini Kotru, and on behalf of UCMS, will be the host for this event today. It's on this auspicious day, on 25th October 1971, the foundation of this prestigious medical college was laid. The first batch of MBBS was started in the Department of Chemistry in University of Delhi with the intent that hospital coming up in East Delhi will be its teaching hospital. But in 1973, UCMS was affiliated to Safdarjung Hospital first before moving on to GTB Hospital in 1986. In its long checkered journey, of which many of us are a part of, UCMS never lost its perseverance and focus on quality and excellence. Everyone worked hard, or rather is working hard, to ensure that UCMS could stand distinctly on its own in this capital city of Delhi amidst the other medical colleges. So the proceedings will start shortly. We are awaiting the chief guest and the academic procession to arrive. So after that, we'll begin with the proceedings of this. And the faculty, if any, who is sitting inside may proceed to the atrium outside the glass door for the faculty photograph. Thank you. So just to brief you before the academic procession arrives, convocation or Dikshant Samaroh, as we call it, in our Indian tradition, is the culmination of years of hard work, passion, and commitment. It's a moment of joy and fulfillment for which students, their parents, and teachers await eagerly. Today we'll be conferring MBBS, MD, MSc, and MSc Medical Technology and Radiography and BSc Radiography degrees, as well as MLT Laboratory Technology certificates, which is an in-house training program of UCMS. Our chief guest for this function will be Honorable Mahesh Sharma ji. He and Dr. Yogesh Singh, Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Delhi, will preside over the function and will be accompanied by other dignitaries, namely Dr. Mahesh Verma, who is the Chairman Governing Body UCMS, Dr. Balram Pani, Dean of Colleges, Dr. Sri Prakash Singh, Director, South Campus, Dr. Rajiv Behel, DG ICMR, Dr. Atul Goyal, DGHS, Dr. Vikas Gupta, Registrar, University of Delhi, Dr. Dheeraj Shah, Director, National Institute of Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Girish Tyagi, Registrar, Delhi Medical Council, and our Medical Director, GTB Hospital, Dr. Asmita Rathore. So these are the dignitaries who will grace this occasion, and shortly there will be arrival of the academic procession. This will be followed by the University Kulgeet, which is a university national anthem, followed by the release of followed by Saraswati Vandana, and then the release of souvenir, and there'll be addresses from few of our dignitaries and conferring of the degrees. So this time, for the first time in this college, we'll be also imparting not the Hippocratic Oath, but the Charak Oath or Charak Shapath to the new MBBS graduates. So this Charak Shapath, till now we had been taking Hippocratic Oath, and this is the first time we are shifting to Charak Oath. As we all know, Maharishi Charak is an author of Charak Samhita, which is a comprehensive treatise, and now the academic procession is about to arrive, and may I request all of you to kindly rise when the academic procession enters in the auditorium. I would also request you to please switch off your phones and keep them on silent mode. So Kani, the music should be on as the academic procession is arriving. The academic procession will be led by the Registrar of Delhi University, Dr. Vikas Gupta, Joint Registrar UCMS Sri Rangabhashyam, and Deputy Registrar Mr. Rajesh Kumar. And they are about to enter the auditorium, and they'll be followed by the heads of departments of all the specialities, joined by the respective faculty and esteemed dignitaries. I request you all to stand up as a mark of honor when the procession arrives. और मैं आपसे एक बार फिर अनुरोध करूंगी कि अपने मोबाइल साइलेंट मोड पे रखिए, सो दैट सभा की गरिमा बनाए रखें.
स्वागतम् शुभ स्वागतम् अथ स्वागतम् शुभ स्वागतम् आनन्द मङ्गल मङ्गलम् आनन्द मङ्गल मङ्गलम् हितप्रियम् भारत भारतम् हितप्रियम् भारत भारतम् स्वागतम् शुभ स्वागतम् अथ स्वागतम् शुभ स्वागतम् निरन्तरता नवता मानवता समता ममता सारथि साथ मनोरथ का जो अनिवार्य नहीं थमता.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise as the academic procession is about to arrive.
आनन्द मङ्गल मङ्गलम् आनन्द मङ्गल मङ्गलम् हितप्रियम् भारत भारतम् हितप्रियम् भारत भारतम् स्वागतम् शुभ स्वागतम् अथ स्वागतम् शुभ स्वागतम् कुसुमित नई कामनाएं सुरभित नई साधनाएं कुसुमित नई कामनाएं सुरभित नई साधनाएं मैत्री मति क्रीड़ांगण में प्रमुदित बंधु भावनाएं मैत्री मति क्रीड़ांगण में प्रमुदित बंधु भावनाएं शाश्वत सुविकसित इति शुभम् शाश्वत सुविकसित इति शुभम् आनन्दमङ्गलमङ्गलम् आनन्दमङ्गलमङ्गलम् नितप्रियम् भारत भारतम् भारतम् नितप्रियम् भारत भारतम् नितप्रियम् भारत भारतम् नितप्रियम् भारत अथ स्वागतम्
शुभ स्वागतम्
अथ स्वागतम्
शुभ स्वागतम्
आनन्दमङ्गलमङ्गलम् आनन्दमङ्गलमङ्गलम् नितप्रियम् भारत भारतम्
नितप्रियम् भारत
भारतम् स्वागतम्
शुभ स्वागतम्
अथ स्वागतम्
शुभ स्वागतम्
नित्यनिरन्तरता नवता मानवता समता ममता सारथि साथ मनोरथ का जो अनिवार्य नहीं थमता संकल्प अविजित अभिमतम् संकल्प अविजित अभिमतम् आनन्दमङ्गलमङ्गलम् आनन्दमङ्गलमङ्गलम् नितप्रियम् भारत भारतम्
नितप्रियम् भारत
भारतम् स्वागतम्
I request all the audience to take their seats. A very good morning, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Dr. Mridalini. On behalf of University College of Medical Sciences, welcome you all to this Foundation Day and the Convocation Day of UCMS. Today, UCMS is celebrating its Foundation Day, celebrating its 52 years of glorious service to the society. Established as a university-maintained college of University of Delhi way back in 1971, UCMS has grown from strength to strength and is a prominent medical college in the capital today. It's a great moment of pride for all of us to be a part of this glorious day. It's an honor to have with us our chief guest, Dr. Mahesh Sharma ji, Honorable Member Parliament, Lok Sabha, Dr. Yogesh Singh, Vice Chancellor, University of Delhi, Dr. Mahesh Verma, Chairman, Governing Body, UCMS, Dr. Balram Pani, Dean of Colleges, University of Delhi, Dr. Shri Prakash Singh, Director, South Delhi Campus, University of Delhi, Dr. Rajiv Behel, Director General, ICMR, Dr. Atul Goyal, Director General, Health Services, Dr. Dheeraj Shah, Director, National Institute of Family Welfare, Dr. Vikas Gupta, Registrar, University of Delhi, Dr. Girish Tyagi, Registrar, Delhi Medical Council, and Dr. Asmita Rathod, Medical Director, GTB Hospital, and Dr. Piyush Gupta, Principal, UCMS. University of Delhi has a rich legacy of academic excellence, which is rightly celebrated by its Kul Geet, that is the university anthem. May I request the audience to rise for the same?
जयति जय जय जयति जय जय ज्ञान का लोक अनुपम
श्रेष्ठ सुंदर दिव्य दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय विहंगम
जयति जय जय जयति जय जय ज्ञान का लोक अनुपम सकल वसुधा निज कुटुंब की भावना संस्कृति सनातन आधुनिक शिक्षा पुरातन ज्ञान धाराओं का संगम
देश की स्वाधीनता हित भूमि का शतकोटि कोटि वंदन।
निष्ठा धृति सत्यम के मंगल दिव्य भावों का समागम।
जयति जय जय जयति जय जय ज्ञान का आलोक अनुपम।
भव्य महाविद्यालयों के परिसरों से चिर सुशोभित श्रेष्ठ गुरुजन कर रहे नित्य छात्र और छात्राएं दीक्षित।
सदचरित्राचार पावन साधना संकल्प संयम।
नवल वैश्विक चेतना नव क्रांति संस्कारों का उद्गम। जयति जय जय जयति जय जय ज्ञान का आलोक अनुपम।
श्रेष्ठ सुंदर दिव्य दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय विहंगम।
जयति जय जय जयति जय जय ज्ञान का आलोक अनुपम।
ज्ञान का आलोक अनुपम।
ज्ञान का आलोक अनुपम।
ज्ञान का आलोक अनुपम।
Audience में प्लीज बी सीटेड। भारतीय परंपरा के साथ आइए आज का समारोह हम सरस्वती वंदना के साथ देवी का आह्वान करें। और लैंप लाइटिंग के लिए मैं अब डिग्निटरीज को आमंत्रित करती हूँ। May I request our honorable chief guest along with other dignitaries to come forward for the lamp lighting and Saraswati Vandana. Privileged to have Honorable Dr. Mahesh Sharma ji as chief guest for this auspicious ceremony. May I request Principal Professor Piyush Gupta to welcome sir with Angavastram, memento and potted plant. May I now request Professor Piyush Gupta to facilitate Vice Chancellor, University of Delhi, Dr. Yogesh Singh. It's an honor to welcome Dr. Mahesh Verma, Chairman, Governing Body, UCMS. Request Principal Sir to do the honors. मैं प्रधानाचार्य महोदय जी से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वह डीन ऑफ कॉलेजेस दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय प्रोफेसर बलराम पानी जी का स्वागत करें। मैं प्रधानाचार्य डॉक्टर पीयूष जी से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वे प्रोफेसर श्री प्रकाश सिंह, डायरेक्टर साउथ दिल्ली कैंपस, दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय का अभिनंदन करें। We are honored to have Director General ICMR Dr. Rajiv Behel with us. Request Principal Sir to felicitate. मैं प्रधानाचार्य जी से निवेदन करती हूँ कि वे डायरेक्टर जनरल हेल्थ सर्विसेज डॉक्टर अतुल गोयल जी का स्वागत करें। I would now request Sir to welcome Dr. Vikas Gupta, Registrar, University of Delhi. I request Sir to felicitate Dr. Asmita Rathod, Medical Director, GTB Hospital. It's a privilege to welcome Dr. Dheeraj Shah, Director, National Institute of Family Welfare in his home ground. I request Principal Sir to welcome him. I request Dr. Dheeraj to come up to the stage. I request Dr. Piyush Gupta to welcome Dr. Girish Tyagi, Registrar, Delhi Medical Council. May I request Dr. Girish Sir to come up to the stage? Ladies and gentlemen, I would now request Dr. Sonal Sharma, Chairperson, College Convocation Committee, to felicitate our Principal, Dr. Piyush Gupta, sir. Thank you, Dr. Sonal. I would now request Dr. Mahesh Verma, Chairman Governing Body UCMS, to give the welcome address. He is also Vice Chancellor Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University. He is a proud recipient of prestigious Padma Shri, Dr. BC Award and National Science and Technology Award. He is also Chairman NABH WHO Fellow, Famer Fellow Philadelphia, to name a few of his achievements. It's an honor to have you with us, sir.
Thank you. Dear faculty, staff, graduating students, invited guests, and the most important esteemed dignitaries at the rostrum. To begin with, Chief Guest, Dr. Mahesh Sharma, Member of Parliament, former Minister of State for Culture, Tourism and Civil Aviation, Government of India, Chairman, Kailash Group of Hospitals, and distinguished alumnus of UCMS, batch 1978. Our brilliant presiding Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Yogesh Singh, University of Delhi, who earlier served as Vice Chancellor of Baroda, University of Baroda, Delhi Technical University, Netaji Subhash University of Technology, and held numerous important portfolios, and now steering University of Delhi to a greater heights. Pleasure to have you, sir. We also have guest of honor, Director General ICMR, Dr. Rajiv Bahal, who served as the head of research at WHO Geneva on maternal, newborn child and adolescent health, and also a distinguished alumnus of UCMS, batch 1984. It's a great privilege and sheer honor for me to welcome each of them for their honored and a gracious presence today amongst us all. I would also like to welcome Professor Balram Pani, Dean of Colleges, University of Delhi, a great scholar who's also serving as Director, School of Open Learning, and also Principal, Bhaskacharya College of Applied Sciences. It's a pleasure for me to have DGHS, Dr. Atul Goyal, Director, Professor of Medicine at Lady Hardinge Medical College, and also one of our alumni of UCMS. Welcome, Professor Goyal. We also have Professor Shri Prakash Singh, Director, South Campus, University of Delhi, who's also serving as Professor, Department of Political Science, Delhi University. Thank you, sir, for your august presence here today. I greatly welcome Dr. Vikas Gupta, Registrar, University of Delhi. Before joining Delhi University, he has worn many hats and served multiple organizations, including IP University, UGC, Distance Education Council, CBSE, and wherever he goes, he has left his deep footprints there, and now serving Delhi University with great gusto. We are also joined by Professor Dheeraj Shah, Director, National Institute of Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Girish Tyagi, Registrar, Delhi Medical Council. Both of them are there in the audience. They are also very proud alumni of UCMS. Welcome, Professor Shah and Dr. Tyagi. Let me also welcome our own Professor Piyush Gupta, Principal UCMS, and Professor Asmita Rathore, Medical Director GTB, for their ceremonial presence here today. Let's give all of them a big round of applause. If you look around the dais and in the audience, आपको नहीं लगता कि सारे तारे जो है वो जमीन पे आ गए हैं? देयर आर तारे जमी पे, सितारे जमी पे. It's indeed a blockbuster of gathering. कोई स्टार है, कोई सुपरस्टार है, कोई लिविंग लेजेंड है. This is not less than a multi-starrer, and production directed and presented by the leadership of University College of Medical Sciences. बट एक चीज की कमी है कि यहां कोई विलियन नहीं है. अब देखिए, अभी प्रोफेसर योगेश सिंह कह रहे थे कि मेरे एक तरफ भी महेश हैं और दूसरी तरफ भी महेश हैं, और बट मैं ये जरूर आपको अश्योर करता हूं कि यहाँ कोई तांडव नहीं होगा, क्योंकि हमारे जो चीफ गेस्ट है डॉक्टर महेश शर्मा, वो बहुत ही शांति प्रिय डॉक्टर हैं और वो इस तरह की एक्टिविटी में बिलीव नहीं करते. फ्रेंड्स, you know, the tag of UCMS, while I was coming, I saw the tagline, proud to be USite. And I think it's really exciting to be alumnus of UCMS. I think it is unique, it is priceless, and this should be the goal of every graduating doc who are graduating from UCMS today. You should not only emulate these fine alumni who are amongst us today, but also try to reach higher goals, because I know the sky is the limit for each one of you. So welcome everybody. We are all dear graduating students. We are all gathered here to celebrate your graduation. We are here to share your happiness. We are here to congratulate you, and of course to thank your teachers, your parents, your peers, and everybody else who made it happen. Let's give them a big round of applause. You are a prima donna of University College of Medical Sciences, and I am very sure you shall continue to be numero uno. Congratulations, best wishes, dhanyavad.
Thank you so much for the warm welcome, sir. We will now have the release of annual report and the souvenir. May I once again request our chief guest, Dr. Mahesh Sharma ji, to do the honors, please. I would also request the other esteemed dignitaries on the stage to please join in. I would now like to call upon Dr. Rajiv Behel, Director General ICMR and Secretary Government of India, Department of Health Research, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, to address the gathering. It's a matter of pride that he's also UCMS alumni. Sir, we are waiting to listen from you.
Respected Dr. Mahesh Sharma, Professor Yogesh Singh, all the dignitaries on stage, and most importantly, the faculty of UCMS, but most importantly, the students who are now passing out, my fellow brothers and sisters. It is indeed a great pleasure for me to be standing in front of you to talk to you about a couple of things in the next 2 minutes. Very proud to be here, very happy to be here. 35 years ago, I was sitting in your chair with great expectations and great apprehensions about what the future holds. I'm sure you all also have great expectations and maybe some apprehensions about the future, but probably much more confident than what we were when we were at your age. Just a couple of things I wanted to say, some old-fashioned things, but important for me to say it. Please do not forget that you have been given the greatest opportunity to serve your fellow humans, and use this opportunity to the maximum. The second thing is that it is a tremendous investment by our great nation in all of you, which the expectation of the country is that you will contribute to. You will be at your peak of careers when we have 4700th year of our independence, when we are thinking about and we are absolutely confident that we will be a developed nation. And you will be great architects of that nation. The one thing that I want to share with you is that you should always follow your passion. Don't be afraid to take risks. Believe in yourself. Today, you just heard the array of people who have been UCMS alumni. I still remember those days. Today, you are 7th in the country. You are at the top of your league. But when we were at UCMS, we were always thought of as the Sadak Par Medical College, very much inferior to All India Institute of Medical Sciences. But it gives me great pride to see whether it is the field of politics, whether it is healthcare, Dr. Atul Goyal, Dr. Mahesh Sharma, the Delhi Medical Council, public health, National Institute of Health and Family Welfare, or research. The leadership belongs to UCMS. And I'm sure you will be future leaders of this country in any profession, any part of the profession you choose, whether you want to be clinicians or otherwise. My last thought for you is never forget the fundamentals that science will pervade everything that you do, and hence research and innovation will be part of whatever you do, whether you do post-graduation, DMs, clinical care, research, public health, or any other for future career. And I really encourage you to take research as a career and as one of the most important things that drive health and healthcare. My congratulations and best wishes for a wonderful career and a great life ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much for those inspiring words, sir. They will I'm sure they'll inspire all the audience here. Thank you so much once again. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to acknowledge the talent of our position holders. So we will now have distribution of medals and awards by our chief guest, Honorable Dr. Mahesh Sharma ji. May I call upon all the dignitaries on the dais to please come forward and join in. This time we are giving awards for academic year 2020 to 21 and 21-22. So we will begin with the College Merit Awards of the academic year 2021. So the first in the meritorious list is Vanshika Agarwal, who is the first position holder in First Prof, first position in Biochemistry, second position in Anatomy and Physiology. She also receives Ramchand Dua Award for standing first in First Prof, Vimla Ram Prakash Sharma Memorial Award for highest marks in Prof Female, and Potha Pragada Award for standing first in Biochemistry. Next to follow her is Pragya Mitra, who gets second position in First Prof, first position in Anatomy, second position in Biochemistry, K. Sridharan Award for highest marks in college level, first position in Second Prof, second position in Pathology, Microbiology and Pharmacology, and Ratan Mani Sharma Award for standing first and second Prof. Coming next is Akshay Gill, first Prof. He's a first position holder in Second Prof MBBS, first position in Microbiology, second position in Pharmacology. He also receives Pallab Chaudhary Award for highest marks at the college level in Microbiology, Ratan Mani Sharma Award for first marks in MBBS for Second Prof. Coming next is Chetan Mehra, who gets second position in second prof, first position in micro and pathology, second position in pharmacology, Pallab Chaudhary Award for highest marks in first attempt in microbiology, and Faculty of Pathology Golden Jubilee Award. To follow the list is Nitresh Sharma, who gets second position in second prof MBBS, first position in pharmacology, K. Sridharan Award for securing highest marks in pharmacology. Following him is Pranjali Garg, who gets second position in second prof and second position in forensic medicine. I request audience to please cheer the awardees. Next is Sukrit Singhal, second position in second prof and second position in pathology. Following him is Tanish Seni, who gets first position in second prof pathology, second position in microbiology. He also receives Faculty of Pathology Golden Jubilee of Independence Award for standing first in pathology 2020. Next is Samiksha Goyal, second position holder in pharmacology. Ladies and gentlemen, they have all worked hard, so I request all of you to cheer them up. Next is Vagisha Charan, who gets first position in forensic medicine in 2020 batch, and Dr. Krishna Kumar Gupta Award for standing first in forensic medicine 2020. Coming to the third prof MBBS part 1, we have Swara Das Gupta. The list is long. He has the first position in third prof part 1, first position in ENT, second position in Ophtha and community medicine. Dr. Abhijit Malhotra Award for securing highest marks, Dr. S.K. Goyal Memorial Award for first in ENT, late Shri Sumit Chawla Memorial Gold Medal for standing first in ENT. Second position in third prof, second position in surgery, obs and gynae. So next is Kartik Goyal, who gets second position in community medicine. Hara Prasad Mishra also gets second position in community medicine. Our next meritorious student is Marisha Mohini Upadhyay, who gets second position in third prof, first position in community medicine, Colonel Barkat Narayan Award for standing first in community medicine, Major Dr. Ashwini Kumar Kanwa VSM Memorial Award, first position in obs and gynae, Dr. Miss L.V. Pathak Medal for securing highest marks in obs and gynae. Next is Tripti Jha, who also gets third position in third prof, second position in ENT, first position in third prof part 2, first position in pediatrics, first position in surgery, Rukmani Gopala Krishnan Memorial Medal and Dr. Abhijit Malhotra Award. Next is Namita George, first position in medicine, second position in pediatrics. She also gets Dr. Madhu Saxena Award for securing highest marks in medicine in final MBBS, medal for highest marks in medicine, Srimati Ram Pyari and Sri Lakshmi Narayan Chuk Memorial Medal. Next is Aishi Anushka, who gets second position in medicine 2019. Followed by Himanshi Grover, who gets second position in obs and gynae 2019 batch. Mohammad Danish is next to follow, who gets first position in pediatrics. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to call upon Swara Das Gupta once again because she is best all-round MBBS student. He is the best all-round MBBS student, MBBS 2015 batch. He gets DMC medal and certificate for the same. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause for him. Mimansha Jindal gets Major Dr. Ashwini Kumar Kanwa Memorial Medal for the best intern in pediatrics. She also gets first position in third prof part 2, first position in surgery, first position in pediatrics, Rukmani Gopala Krishnan Award and Dr. Abhijit Mehlotra Award. Dr. Mayank Shami is the next to come. He gets Dr. Madhu Saxena Award for best outgoing postgraduate student in medicine. A huge round of applause for him. Dr. Anisha Goyal, PG Pediatrics, gets late Dr. Kusum Pandit Award for the best thesis of the year. Dr. Anisha. The next award is for Dr. Chanchal, who gets Srimati Chandra and Sri Narayan Vadhwani Memorial Award for the best outgoing postgraduate student of anesthesia. Garima Pandey gets Ranjan Medal for securing the highest percentage of marks in BSc Medical Technology and Radiography, final exam 2021. Coming to the next academic year, we begin with Tushar Yadav, who gets the first position in First Prof 2021, first position in Anatomy, Biochemistry. He also gets K. Sridharan Award, Ramchandra Dua Award, Potha Pragada Award, and Vimla Ram Prakash Sharma Memorial Award for securing highest marks in First Prof. Jay Goyal secures second position in First Prof. Also, he gets second position in Anatomy and Physiology. Cheers for Jay Goyal. Soumya Jain is the next to follow. He gets second position in First Prof 2021 and second position in Biochemistry. Next is Sanya Grover. She gets third position in First Prof 2021 and Vimla Ram Prakash Sharma Memorial Award for securing highest marks in First Prof MBBS exam female. Satyakam Dolai gets the first position in Physiology and Kanhaiya Lal Gulati Award for standing first in Physiology. Satyakam. Utkarsh gets second position. So the next one is Yash Karnani, who gets second position in Second Prof 2021, first position in Microbiology, first position in Pharmacology. He also gets Pallab Chaudhary Award and K. Sridharan Awards. Kriti Raghav gets third position in Second Prof 2021, first position in Pathology. She also gets Faculty of Pathology Golden Jubilee of Independence Award for standing first in Pathology. Kriti Raghav. Coming to the awards of Third Prof Part 1, we have Satyam Gupta, first position in Third Prof Part 1, first position in ENT and Community Medicine. He also gets Major Dr. Ashwini Kumar Kanwa Memorial Award, Dr. Barkat Narayan Award for standing first in Community Medicine, Dr. Abhijit Mehlotra Award, Dr. S.K. Goyal Memorial Award, and late Shri Sumit Chawla Memorial Gold Medal. Just to name a few, he also gets third position in Third Prof, first position in Obs and Gynae, second position in Surgery, and L.V. Pathak Medal for highest marks in Obs and Gynae. Next is Prerna Gupta, who gets second position in Third Prof, second position in Community Medicine, and second position in Third Prof Part 2. Harsha is to follow. She gets third position in Third Prof Part 1, first position in Ophthalmology, and she also gets K. Sridharan Award and second position in Pediatrics Part 2. Charvi Gupta is the next to follow. She gets second position in Ophthalmology. Next to come is Abhishek Singh, who he gets first position in medicine, second position in obs and gynae, Srimati Ram Pyari and Sri Lakshmi Narayan Award for highest marks in medicine, Dr. Madhu Saxena Award for highest marks in medicine. Yutika Khanna gets second position in medicine. So, once again, the great moment has come to award the best all-round student for securing the highest marks in MBBS third professional. Dr. Satyam Gupta, I call once again to the stage. He receives a DMC medal and a certificate for this achievement. Congratulations, Satyam. So next to follow is Major Dr. Ashwini Kumar Kanwa Memorial Medal, which goes to the best intern in pediatrics, and it is Dr. Anukriti Jain. Rameshwari Chakoli gets Dr. Madhu Saxena Award for Best Outgoing Postgraduate Student in Medicine. Congratulations. Dr. Shritama Das Pediatrics gets late Dr. Kusum Pandit Award for the best thesis of the year. Dr. Shritama, a big round of applause. The next list in the series is the award goes to Dr. Surbhi Tyagi and Dr. Diksha Gaur for Srimati Chandra and Sri Narayan Vadhwani Memorial Award for Best Outgoing Postgraduate in Anesthesia. Dr. Surbhi Tyagi and Dr. Diksha Gaur. Ranjan Medal for securing highest marks in BSc Medical Technology and Radiography final exam goes to Ms. Ikra. Congratulations. Our students are very active in various extracurricular events, and 2020 batch has been honored for their contributions in cultural events, and on behalf of the batch I invite Dr. Abhimanyu Kokar to receive the award. Abhimanyu? A big round of applause, without which the college is incomplete, the extracurricular activities. So the next in the series is a Best Ward Award. Each year we give a running trophy to the best maintained ward of the year. The award for this year goes to Ward 20, Orthopedics, and I request senior nursing officers, Mrs. Chinnamma Kunju and Mrs. Sinhi Biju to come and receive the award on behalf of the ward. Congratulations, it's a great work. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause to them. This is also another first in the series. This year, UCMS is instituting a running trophy for acknowledging the contributions of department and research. It has been named after Dr. Abhay Narayan, who is a well-known statistician and an ex-HOD of Department of Biostatics, who donated 5 lakh rupees to UCMS for the cause. The first Indrayan Award for Excellence in Research goes to Department of Microbiology. May I request Head of Department of Microbiology to receive the award on behalf of the department. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause to the Department of Microbiology. Dr. Shukla, the head, will receive the award. May I now request all the dignitaries on the dais to please take their seats. Thank Thank you so much, sir. I would now request Director General of Health Services, Professor Atul Goyal, to address the young, bubbling minds who are bubbling with enthusiasm. Dr. Atul Goyal is also Director Professor of Medicine, a highly revered teacher and an ardent researcher. Incidentally, he is also a UCMS alumni and my teacher too, waiting eagerly to hear from you, sir.
A very good morning to all of you. I've been given 3 minutes precisely to address the audience. So I would not waste that time in taking the names of people who are sitting on the dais, but I just can't hold myself back. I can't call Dr. Mahesh Sharma Honorable MP. So I say my seniors from UCMS, Dr. Mahesh Sharma and Dr. Girish Tyagi in the audience. My junior colleagues from UCMS, Dr. Rajiv Bahel, Dr. Dheeraj Shah, Vice Chancellors, Professor Yogesh and Professor Mahesh, colleagues from the Delhi University, fellow colleagues from UCMS, dear parents and my dear students. I just cannot undermine the fact that how thrilled I am to be addressing the audience at a UCMS convocation. My thoughts go back to my own convocation way back in 1987 when I received similar degrees and awards. So congratulations to all of you. The one thing that needs to be remembered is that a greater responsibility starts the moment you receive your degrees, because you step into the world of being doctors from being students. And this responsibility comes because you will be dealing with human life. So yes, after the jubilation, a sense of responsibility towards seeing patients, towards managing them. And when you think of this responsibility, you have to think that you have chosen a profession which provides you space for service to mankind. Real service, a selfless service, and it should be done in a selfless way. The moment you start attaching any motives to your service, it becomes meaningless. And the parents have similar responsibility. They should always remind their wards of the responsibility that they have towards the profession. And at times, social commitments, social functions always take a back seat. So I wish you success in your life, in your profession. And yes, it's time for UCMS, as you see with the dignitaries on the dais. It's time for UCMS. I hold you will uphold the position that UCMS is in currently. Thank you.
Thank you so much for the encouraging words, sir. Coming to the next aspect of the convocation, it's a time for the moment for which this audience is waiting for. I request all the degree recipients to rise, and I request Dr. Vikas Gupta, Registrar, University of Delhi, to come up to the podium to seek permission of Vice Chancellor, University of Delhi, to confer the degree.
All the recipients of degree to rise, please.
Sir, I pray that the students who have been examined and found qualified for the award of various degrees may be admitted to the respective degrees for those present and in absentia.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as Vice Chancellor of this university, I admit the students who have been examined and found qualified for the award of respective degrees for those present and in absentia.
Sir, may I request the Honorable Vice Chancellor to read out the commandments to the passing out graduates.
As is our tradition, I now prescribe the following commandments. Follow your conscience and lead a life of rectitude with courage and honesty. This is the precept, this is the advice, this is the commandment.
Thank you so much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, it is time for the new pass-outs to take the oath. मैं हमारे प्रधानाचार्य महोदय प्रोफेसर पीयूष गुप्ता जी से सविनय निवेदन करती हूँ कि वे मंच पे आके हमारे MBBS स्नातकों को चरक शपथ दिलाएं. All the MBBS graduates are requested to keep standing for taking the oath. The oath is written on the last page of the souvenir, so you may all please refer to it. Thank you.
I request all MBBS degree holders to kindly keep standing. ये महर्षि चरक शपथ है, मैं बोलूँगा, आप इसके बाद दोहराएंगे. हे द्विज, पूर्वा में मुख होकर पवित्र अग्नि एवं विद्वानों की साक्षी में प्रतिज्ञा करो कि मैं अपने अध्ययन काल में संयमी, सात्विक एवं अनुशासित जीवन व्यतीत करूंगा. गुरु के अधीन होकर पूर्ण समर्पित भाव से गुरु के कल्याण तथा प्रसन्नता हेतु पुत्रवत आचरण करूंगा. मेरा व्यवहार सतर्कतापूर्ण, सेवापरायण तथा उद्दंडता और ईर्ष्या से रहित होगा. मैं अपने आचरण में संतोषी, आज्ञापालक, विनम्र, निरंतर मननशील एवं शांति युक्त रहूंगा. गुरु के अभीष्ट लक्ष्य के प्रति संपूर्ण सामर्थ्य से प्रयत्नशील रहूंगा. चिकित्सक के रूप में अपनी सफलता, यश एवं अर्थ प्राप्ति के लिए मैं सदैव अपनी विद्या का उपयोग प्राणी मात्र के कल्याण हेतु करता रहूंगा. अत्यधिक व्यस्तता एवं विश्रांति की अवस्था में भी मैं दिन रात रोगी की सेवा हेतु आत्म तत्पर रहूंगा. निज स्वार्थ एवं अर्थ लाभ के लिए किसी रोगी का अहित नहीं करूंगा तथा पर स्त्री एवं पराय धन की कामना नहीं करूंगा. अनैतिकता मेरे विचारों में भी नहीं आएगी. मेरी वेशभूषा शालीन एवं प्रभावशाली होगी तथा मेरा व्यक्तित्व प्रेरित करने वाला होगा. मैं सदैव मधुर, पवित्र, उचित, आनंदवर्धक, सत्य, हितकारी तथा विनम्र वाणी प्रयुक्त करूंगा तथा अपने पूर्व अनुभवों का उपयोग करते हुए ज्ञान के विकास एवं नवीनतम उपलब्धि के लिए निरंतर प्रयत्नशील रहूंगा. किसी स्त्री की चिकित्सा उसके पति या आत्मीय की उपस्थिति में ही करूंगा. रोगी के परीक्षण के समय मेरा विवेक, ध्यान एवं इंद्रियां रोग निदान हेतु केंद्रित होंगी. मैं रोगी या उसके घर से संबंधित गोपनीय बातों का प्रचार नहीं करूंगा. मैं मरणासन रोगी की विवेचना नहीं करूंगा क्योंकि वह रोगी या उसके आत्मीय जनों को घातक हो सकती है. मैं अधिकृत विद्वान होते हुए भी अपने ज्ञान की अभिव्यक्ति अहंकार के रूप में नहीं करूंगा क्योंकि इससे रोगी के स्वजन अपमानित महसूस कर सकते हैं. धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद सर. नए स्नातकों को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. आप अपनी सीट्स पे बैठ सकते हैं. It's time to hear words of inspiration from our chief guest, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Guest of Honor, Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Delhi, Professor Yogesh Singh. Sir, the audience is eagerly waiting for you.
Good morning to all of you. Dr. Mahesh Sharma, Honorable Member of Parliament, Professor Mahesh Verma, Vice Chancellor, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University and Chairperson Governing Body UCMS, Dr. Rajiv Bahel, DG ICMR, Dr. Atul Goyal, DGHS, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, Professor Dheeraj Shah, Director, NIHFW, Dr. Girish Tyagi, Registrar, Delhi Medical Council, Professor Balram Pani, Dean of Colleges, Professor Shri Prakash, Director, South Campus, Dr. Vikas Gupta, Registrar of the University, Professor Asmita Rathore, Medical Director, GTB Hospital, Professor Piyush, Principal, UCMS, respected members of the governing body of UCMS, distinguished guests, faculty members of UCMS, proud parents, administrative and support staffs, and my dear graduating students, Namaste, wish you all a very good morning. Very good morning. It is an immense honor, respect, and privilege to stand before you on this day, Convocation Day, which also coincides with the Foundation Day of University College of Medical Sciences. Please don't talk, please. I would like to congratulate you all for the accomplishments of University College of Medical Sciences since its inception. I also congratulate all the graduating students on this historic, momentous moment of their lives. My dear graduating students, you are our pride, and please maintain this pride throughout your life. We are fortunate to have you as our students. Always remember, my dear students, always remember, your degree is just a piece of paper. Your degree is just a piece of paper. Your education should be seen in your behavior. Education should be seen in your conduct. Wasim Barelvi has rightly said, डिग्रियां तो तालीम के खर्चे की रसीदें हैं साहिब, डिग्रियां तो तालीम के खर्चे की रसीदें हैं साहिब, इल्म तो वही है जो आपके किरदार से झलके. That's the point. Your commitment, your hard work and conduct will decide your future. Achieve greater heights in your life, but always be a responsible player, not a spectator. And when it comes to the University College of Medical Sciences, you all are students of the premier institution of our country. And on the dais also, we have a good number of alumni here, and we are really proud of you, proud of all of you. College is doing extremely well and has made significant contribution in the field of medical science. The research endeavors of the college is equally encouraging, where the UCMS has registered 7th position in India in terms of publications in Publication Medical Index journals. Congratulations to you. Moreover, the skill laboratory developed by the college is an important entity where the students are given hands-on training on various facets of medical education and research. The contribution of the college in producing paramedical professionals in the field of medical technology, radiography, and medical imaging technology has played a significant role in the healthcare delivery system, adequately complementing the medical graduates produced by the college. The contribution of the faculty members of this medical college in terms of teaching, learning, research, and innovations is remarkable, and they have not only helped the medical college prosper, but also significantly contributed towards furtherance of the medical education at the national and international level. through their association with ICMR, DBT, WHO, UNICEF, and other associated organizations. The contribution UCMS during the COVID pandemic is truly incredible, where the entire medical college thrust itself with all its might to fight the pandemic situation and saved the lives of thousands in the process, a true service to the humanity at large. In this convocation, we have conferred 315 MBBS degrees, 287 MD/MS degrees, 30 BSc radiography, and 3 MSc radiography. So total is 365, and award winners are 46. Congratulations to all of you. Right now, in our country, everyone is talking about national education policy. And in Delhi University, being the front runner in the implementation of provisions of national education policy, we have many lessons to learn from medical education. Because medical education is very skill-oriented, innovative from the first year of its inception. And that's why we are learning very, very good things. But you know, as in the medical education, you also has to improvise. You also has to experiment many things. But really, really, we have learned many things. And now, Honorable Prime Minister has said India will be a developed nation in 2047. So these 25 years are very, very important. And we all have to find our roles in the growth and development of our country. My dear graduating students, it is very difficult to become a good doctor. It is very difficult to become a good doctor, and it is furthermore difficult to conduct like a doctor in difficult and pressing times. Please always remember, when patient comes to you, he is under depression. He is facing good number of problems. So your conduct is very, very important. Skills are important. Your accomplishments are important. But if you treat them well, not only medically, but also psychologically, it has a very lasting impact on the life of a patient. Someone has rightly said, I would like to quote, because that is very, very important for the doctors. The poem is from Kumar Bechen. He said, कोई उस पेड़ से पूछे मुसीबत में खड़े रहना, कोई उस पेड़ से पूछे मुसीबत में खड़े रहना, जिसने बाढ़ के पानी में भी सीखा अड़े रहना, मैं कितने ही बड़े लोगों की नीचाइयों से वाकिफ हूँ, बड़ा मुश्किल है दुनिया में बड़े होकर बड़ा रहना. तो एज ए डॉक्टर, अगर आप पेशेंट्स की निगाह में बड़े होकर बड़े रहना, उनको ये ना लगे कि डॉक्टर की स्किल अच्छी थी, बात थी, पर बात अच्छी नहीं की डॉक्टर ने. मैं अच्छा आया था, अच्छा वाला आया था और डरा के भेज दिया. मैं अच्छा वाला आया था और परेशान हो गया. व्यवहार, that conduct of a doctor is very, very important. In your life, please maintain the expected high standards of ethics, kindness, goodness, conduct, and behavior. Doctors and teachers should always, the doctors and teachers, purposely now I am adding teachers also, because doctors, those who are in the teaching profession, are teachers also. Doctors and teachers should always be happy. And if they are not happy, they should look like happy. They should. Because if you are not happy, then it has a very cascading negative impact on your patients and students. Frustrated and depressed doctors and teachers are never appreciated. They are only tolerated. Now you have to decide whether you come from the section of this tolerance or you come from the section of the appreciation. That's why this behavior and conduct, you have to think, practice the positivity in your life. Always set examples of positivity, kindness, and generosity. Today, the graduating students must imbibe this thought and always exhibit highest level of devotion, dedication, and determination in discharging the noble duties of treating physician, and should always uphold the highest standards of integrity, intelligence, and initiatives while treating a patient who may represent any strata of the society. When Prime Minister said India will be a developed nation by 2047, it means what? Size of economy should increase. I don't know how many of you know, India took 60 years to become $1 trillion economy in 2007. $1 trillion. And it took another 7 years. In 2014 became $2 trillion economy. And in 2019, after 5 years, it became $3 trillion economy. And today our size of economy is $3.8 trillion. And it is expected that India will add $1 trillion every year after 2030. It means, because if we say we want to achieve the standards of the developed nation, it means size of the economy should be $20 to $25 trillion. We will add. So we took 60 years for 1 trillion. Now it is expected that every year we will add $1 trillion in the economy. How can it is possible? Every sector should contribute in the economy. And in the medical science and education, those two are our priority sectors. And everyone is talking about the medical tourism. In 2020, the size was $2.89 billion, and it is expected that by 2026, it will be $13.42 trillion. So we have to prepare such mindsets in our medical colleges so that, it can contribute significantly and immensely in the size of our economy. So we need a very strong healthcare infrastructure for necessary contribution in the economy. Now, good number of new medical colleges are also coming up. Government of India is also taking interest in the establishment of the medical colleges. India needs your will, courage, eagerness, and passion, my dear students. Therefore, remember कि जिंदगी में देने वाले बनना, लेने वाले तो बहुत मिल जाएंगे. आप जिंदगी में देने वाले बनना, लेने वाले तो बहुत मिल जाएंगे, क्योंकि देने वाले से ही जिंदगी में बड़े बनते हैं. एक और बात है कि देने लेने की भी छोड़ो, जिंदगी में रोने वाले मत बनना. देना लेना भी छोड़ो, जिंदगी में रोने वाले मत बनना. इतना तो प्रॉमिस आज आप करें कि जिंदगी में रोने वाले मत बनना, क्योंकि कुंवर बेचन साहब को दोबारा कोट करूंगा कि उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा कहा कि अपने आंचल में भिगोती ही चली जाती है, अपने आंचल में भिगोती ही चली जाती है, जिंदगी रोई तो रोती ही चली जाती है. नेक कामों में देरी ना करिए साहिब, देर होती है तो होती ही चली जाती है. सो डॉक्टर्स के लिए तो देरी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो वो आप ख्याल रखिएगा. एंड एज ए डॉक्टर यू शुड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ स्टीफन ग्रेलेट. स्टीफन ग्रेलेट said, I shall pass through this world but once. I shall pass through this world but once. Any good thing that I can do, or any kindness that I can show to any human being, let me do it now, and not defer it, for I may not pass this way again. I am sure that all of you who have been conferred with degrees today will draw much inspiration from your distinguished faculty members and seniors, and would leave no stone unturned in going beyond your capabilities to achieve remarkable success at the personal front while contributing to the healthcare facilities, especially to the poor and downtrodden who have comparably lesser access to quality healthcare, and in the process help in the achievements of the development goals of our great nation, that is Bharat. And lastly, I want a promise from all of you. Whenever I go meet students, I take one promise. That in our lifetime, चरक वाली तो आपकी बहुत अच्छी सी हो गई, वो आपने ले ली, दूसरी मेरे से ले लो, कि in our lifetime we will not do anything which is against the interest of our country. How many of you can give me this promise? In our lifetime we will not do anything which is against the interest of our country. Everyone should. सभी बच्चे हैं देश के, इधर वाले भी और उधर वाले भी. Thank you very much, and please remember this also. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir. व्यवहार और ज्ञान का संगम, ये लाइफ गोल्स हमारे डॉक्टर्स और नए स्नातकों को देने के लिए धन्यवाद. Thank you so much for those insightful words. Saving the best for the last, may I now request our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Mahesh Sharma ji, Member Parliament Lok Sabha and former Minister of State, Independent Charge for Tourism and Culture, Minister of State Civil Aviation, Environment and Forest, to share his thoughts with us on this occasion. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule and gracing the ceremony. We all have been waiting to hear from you since morning. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, Namaskar. What a pride, joyous and privileged moment today to be among your own alumnus and with the old institution of our sweet and nostalgic memories for last more than 45 years or so. I feel proud and privileged to be here today with you all, friends. Congratulations to all those who has been awarded degrees and certificates today. But it is a memorable day for me today of being here. Thanks to Professor Piyush ji, who made this event happen, that we are here as a part of UCMS alumnus. No minister, no professor, no teacher, no doctor, but we are alumnus. I, on behalf of you, pay my regards to even younger than me in age, but what is his vision, what is his experience of not being even a politician, not being even a medical professional, what experience Professor Yogesh Singh, Vice Chancellor, has given us today. It is more than what is written beyond the lines. More than that. I learned this in my 45 years of my political, social and professional life. And he has gathered all this information, what he has delivered to you in his short about 10 minutes of his speech. It's really wonderful. It's really mesmerizing. It is really inspirational. और कहते हैं कि प्रेरक चरित्र ही प्रेरणा का स्रोत हो सकता है. आज आप जिस पद पर हैं, यूनिवर्सिटी के वाइस चांसलर के पद पर, मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि आप इस यूनिवर्सिटी के बच्चों को और भी जिस बड़ौदा यूनिवर्सिटी और यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ रहे हैं, वहाँ भी आपका ये अनुभव, आपका ये भाव, आपकी ये प्रेरणा will bring changes in the lives of these students. Thank you, Dr. Yogesh ji. It's a privilege. और दोस्तों, आज एक और बात है. कभी भी ये मत समझना कि मैं ये नहीं कर सकता, वो नहीं कर सकता, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. आप में से कोई भी डॉक्टर सुधीर शाह बन सकता है. गिरीश त्यागी रजिस्ट्रार मेडिकल काउंसिल बन सकता, दिल्ली मेडिकल काउंसिल बन सकता है. आप में से डीजी, किसी ने सोचा था कि मैं डीजी हेल्थ भी यूसीएमएस एल्यूमिनस का होगा? डॉक्टर अतुल आपके सामने बैठे हैं, आप डीजी हेल्थ भी बन सकते हैं. आईसीएमआर जिसने वंडर्स किए कोरोना टाइम में, और जिस मेडिकल रिसर्च की बात अभी अपने प्रिंसिपल साहब कर रहे थे और अभी वाइस चांसलर महोदय कर रहे थे कि 7वें नंबर पर टॉप 10 मेडिकल कॉलेज में मेडिकल रिसर्च में आप रहे, उसके चेहर में राजीव बहल साहब, डॉक्टर राजीव बहल भी आपके अपने एल्यूमिनस हैं. टेक दिस प्राइड मैसेज फ्रॉम यू हियर. और मुझे लग रहा है, मेरे पड़ोस में बैठे थे, कि आज अगर योगेश जी और महेश वर्मा जी को भी लगता है आज काश मैं भी यूसीएमएस का एल्यूमिनस होता तो. व्हाट अ प्राइड मोमेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. और प्रिंसिपल तो आप हैं ही. देखिए, आपके अपने प्रिंसिपल, आपकी एल्यूमिनस के प्रिंसिपल. यू मेड दिस डे टुडे अ मेमोरेबल डे फॉर एवरीवन. कन्वोकेशन डे के साथ साथ फाउंडेशन डे जिंदगी में किसी की में बहुत एक यादगार क्षण होता है. 25 अक्टूबर 1971 का आपका यूसीएमएस, जो दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी के केमिस्ट्री डिपार्टमेंट में शुरू हुआ था, वहाँ के कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को एलएलआरएम में मेरठ कॉलेज में भी भेजा गया था. और आज ये कॉलेज आज अपनी खूब सफदरजंग हॉस्पिटल के उस ब्लॉक में, और उसके बाद आज ये बिल्डिंग अपने खूबसूरत ब्लॉक में है. कुछ और समस्याएं हैं. प्रोफेसर अस्मिता जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच. डॉक्टर विकास गुप्ता रजिस्ट्रार, सुधीर जी, धीरज शाह जी, बाकी सभी को मेरा प्रणाम. साथियों, इट्स माय प्रिविलेज that I have the association with University College. And where I am today, let me accept it, my colleague Satish Verma is, Professor Satish Verma is sitting in front of me, Dr. Irish. What I am here, where I am today, it is because of UCMS. Earlier it used to be called University College of Many Strikes. ये वर्ड नहीं सुना होगा, ये किसी डिक्शनरी में भी नहीं मिलेगा. सब कुछ स्ट्रगल, समझ सकते हो. कॉलेज, केमिस्ट्री की कॉलेज से बिल्डिंग शुरू हुई, 2 लेक्चर हॉल मिले तो कैंटीन नहीं थी, कैंटीन मिल जाए तो छोटे से किसी टॉयलेट के एक ऑफिस को 2 टॉयलेट को तोड़ के कोई एक लैब बनाई जाती थी. और अरुण जेटली जी उस वक्त दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी के प्रेसिडेंट थे. अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषद से मैं अपने कॉलेज की पॉलिटिक्स में आया. 5 साल कॉलेज, और पहले साल ही एनाटमी में ही मैं पॉलिटिक्स में आ गया. बड़ा मुश्किल लगता था. आज बड़ी अच्छी बात कही है वीसी साहब ने, पोस्टमार्टम करने वाले डॉक्टर मत बनना. हालांकि वो भी हमारे डॉक्टर हैं. मैं नहीं कह रहा कि वो गलत है, उनकी भी ज़रूरत है. पोस्टमार्टम का मतलब जो हो गया हो उससे लर्न करने के लिए तो करना, लेकिन आगे बढ़ने के लिए, विकास के रास्ते पर चलने के लिए पोस्टमार्टम से सीखना है. हमें किसी पिछले हुए इतिहास को पोस्टमार्टम नहीं करना है. और एनालाइजिंग माइंड वी हैव, by virtue of being a science graduate, we have analytical mind. Analytical means analysis. Analysis means what this pen is made of. If I ask you that what amount of plastic, what amount of ink, what amount of steel it has, I think you will ask me to say that give this piece of pen to me. I'll take 2 days, send it to lab, crush it into the grinder, and by doing certain chemical test, I'll be able to say that what amount of components it have. Do analyze everything in your life, but don't analyze 3 things in your life. Your ultimate God, accept as toto. Whatever they are, wherever they are, accept as the toto. Your own parents. Can you think of crushing your parents to pieces and send it to chemical tests? Accept them as toto. And the next one is your teachers. Accept your teachers. I'm a teacher, son. Accept your teacher as an ultimate. He is the one who has shown you the path of life. God has given chance to come to this world. Your parents have given birth to come to this world. And the vision and the path of life has been shown by your teacher. These 3 things, accept them in toto. Swami Dayanand has rightly said in the word that Sango Pangasi Kaireta of these 3 things in your life. Whatever they are, wherever they are, however they are. यूनिवर्सिटी की रैगिंग और यूनिवर्सिटी के वो सब हंसी मजाक ठीक है. बाकी आज जब आप एक ज़िंदगी में एक डॉक्टर शब्द की डिग्री साथ लेकर जा रहे हैं, दोस्तों बहुत बातें योगेश जी ने कही हैं. मैंने अपने 40 साल के अनुभव में सीखी, इन्होंने अपनी छोटी सी ज़िंदगी में बिना डॉक्टर बने और बिना पॉलिटिशियन बने. और ये भी ध्यान रखना, कैलाश अस्पताल के चेयरमैन भी बन सकते हो तुम. नाउ वी हैव 600 रुपये हाउस जॉब का एरियर मिला था, उससे मेज खरीदी थी, कुर्सी खरीदने के पैसे नहीं थे. 10 हॉस्पिटल हैं आज आपके, 9,000 लोग आपके साथ काम करते हैं, 800 डॉक्टर्स हमारे साथ कुलीग के रूप में काम करते हैं. ये भी हिम्मत रखना, ये भी सोच रखना. मुझे खुशी है कि सतीश हंस रहे हैं कि जिस दिन मिसेज इंदिरा गांधी की डेथ हुई थी उस दिन हम लोग इमरजेंसी वार्ड बी में पोस्टेड थे, और ना बाहर से कोई अंदर आ सकता था, ना अंदर से कोई बाहर जा सकता था. 96 आवर्स तक सारे जो अंदर लोग थे वो वहीं फ्रीज कर दिए गए. मेस वाला बेचारा सरदार था, वो मेस खाली करके भाग गया, तो आईएनए की मार्केट की दुकान लूट कर लाए थे कि चलो खा वहाँ से बिस्किट खा के फिर. वो ज़िंदगी की स्वीट मेमोरीज भी होनी चाहिए. और एनाटमी में जब एग्ज़ाम में क्वेश्चन आ गया था कि रिलेशंस ऑफ इंटरनल कैप्सूल्स लिखो, सबसे मुश्किल क्वेश्चन था. अब सोच लो कैसे लिखे गए होंगे. साथियों, ये ज़िंदगी के वो एक्सपीरियंस हैं जो अपने साथ लेकर जाना. कभी किसी पेशेंट से ये मत कहना कि बाबा देर हो गई जल्दी बताओ. मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बताता है कि जब मैंने 3 बजे लंच नहीं लिया था, 4 बजे बल्कि, तो मैंने एक ओल्ड पेशेंट जो बिल्कुल अनएजुकेटेड था, मैंने कहा बाबा जल्दी बोलो. कहता भाई डॉक्टर बनने की मैंने कही थी तुझसे, और पैसे तू कमा रहा. आप समझो उस दिन के बाद मैंने शब्द किसी से नहीं कहे, क्योंकि बाय वर्च्यू ऑफ आवर ओन स्वीट विल we have become parents, we have become doctors. So it's no obligation to anyone in this world. But believe it, what you have achieved is that God has given us a chance to be a member of that Givers Club. And this human being is the most selfish creature in this world. जिस डॉक्टर को साहब कहकर वो सर माथे पर उठाता है, भगवान कहकर पांव छूता है, उसी के नर्सिंग होम की दीवारों के शीशे भी यही तोड़ता है। वही पत्रकार लोग जो आपके साथ साथी बनकर, दोस्त बनकर साथ रहते हैं, एक जरा सी आपकी चूक, एक जरा सी गलती को अखबार की फ्रंट लाइन बनाने में नहीं चूकते हैं। वही वकील जो आपके अपने परिवार के हिस्से बनते हैं, वही कोर्ट में आपको, मैंने 25 साल प्रैक्टिस करी है प्रोफेशनल, 200 पेशेंट की अपनी ओपीडी देखी है, और समझो कि एक भी कोर्ट का इस कंज्यूमर फोरम में नहीं गया। आज दुनिया बदली है। आज इस बदलती दुनिया में मेडिकल प्रोफेशन इज पासिंग थ्रू ए फेस ऑफ चैलेंज। आज दोस्तों जिस वर्ल्ड में आप एंटर कर रहे हो, आज से 30 साल पहले के डॉक्टर्स का दिन समय अलग था। किसी ने मुझसे नहीं पूछा, किसी ने कोर्ट कचहरी ले जाने की धमकी मुझको नहीं दी, लेकिन आज हर कदम पर वकील भी, अखबार वाले भी, वही पब्लिक का व्यक्ति जो आपको भगवान कहकर पांव छूता है, वो भी आपको कोर्ट में कचहरी की धमकी देता है और भगवान शब्द से हैवान कहने लगता है। कष्ट होता है। 745 हम मेंबर पार्लियामेंट्स हैं, जिसमें से 28 डॉक्टर्स हैं। मैं जब उनके सामने बैठा, अरुण जेटली जी, सुषमा स्वराज जी और रविशंकर प्रसाद जी, कुछ वकील लोग बैठे हुए थे। तो एक दिन अखबार में छपी थी किसी हॉस्पिटल के बारे में कि फलां हॉस्पिटल ने पैसे ले लिए, लूट लिया, ये लिया। तो मैंने ये प्रश्न उठाया कि मैंने कहा इस प्रोफेशन में जो लोग आए हैं वो जीवन को तप कर कर आए हैं। जितना हार्ड प्रोफेशन एजुकेशन फील्ड में आपका है, उतना कोई और एजुकेशन, वीसी साहब बैठे हैं, इसी सही तो मैं नहीं कह पाऊंगा, लेकिन जितनी मेहनत कर कर आप इस प्रोफेशन में 6 साल MBBS में, और अब तो फिर DM और MCH, वहाँ तक पहुँचते पहुँचते ज़िंदगी के 30-32 साल की स्टैब्लिश होते हुए ज़िंदगी बन जाती है। उसके बाद जब आप एक्सपोजर आते हैं वहाँ दुनिया के अंदर, तो ये तो लेकर आते हैं कि आप यू आर ए मेंबर ऑफ दैट गिवर क्लब, और ये ह्यूमन बीइंग सिर्फ गिवर को सैल्यूट करता है। यू गो आउट ऑफ दिस हॉल, गिव 500 रुपीज टू ए beggar, you will not touch his feet. You may sympathize with that person. You will touch feet of your parents. You will touch feet of your teachers. But you will sympathize with the beggar to whom you have given him. Because you have that vision that I have been a giver and given 500 rupees. God has made you a member of that givers club from today. You cannot be. We say that I treat he cures. उस गॉड के सामने हम ये तो कहते हैं कि हम जिंदगी को तो नहीं दे सकते, लेकिन उस चाबी को भगवान आपको देकर भेज रहा है आज से। 2 चीज़ तो दुनिया में जिसकी भूख सब हर इंसान को होती है, वो है चेहरे पर मुस्कुराहट और जिंदगी देने की या किसी का दर्द कम करने की क्षमता। क्या आप किसी के से दुख को कम कर उसके चेहरे पर मुस्कुराहट दे सकते हैं? वो ताकत आज से भगवान ने आपको दी है। आप उसका हिस्सा बन सकते हैं, आप उसके दर्द को कम कर सकते हैं, और बाय वर्च्यू ऑफ दिस एक्ट विच हैज बीन गिवन टू यू बाय हैविंग दिस ओथ ऑफ चरक, and by virtue of God's grace to you on this your noble profession, please ensure that nothing comes a dot on your the nobility of this profession which has been given to you. और इस गर्व को लेकर कि मैं आज से उस गिवर्स क्लब का मेंबर हूँ, किसी को कुछ देने की क्षमता करता हूँ, वरना ज़िंदगी में जब हम पैदा होते हैं तो बैगर ही पैदा होते हैं। जन्म लेते वक्त बैगन होते हैं, यहाँ तक कि अब तो पढ़ने में बैंक भी लोन हो गए, उनसे भी कुछ मांगते हैं, फिर कहते हैं कि VC बना दे, कहते हैं डॉक्टर बना दे, बेटा दे दे, बेटी दे दे, मंत्री दे दे, संतरी दे दे, कुछ प्रधानमंत्री बना दे, कुछ ना कुछ मांगते ही रहते हैं। पूरी ज़िंदगी मांगते मांगते गुजर जाती है। वो समय कब आएगा? जब इस दुनिया को कुछ वापस करने का समय आएगा। मुझे ध्यान है, मैं राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ में 14 वर्ष की आयु में जब प्रवेश किया, प्रचारक जीवन में प्रवेश किया, तो एक गीत दिया जाता था। आज जो ओथ VC साहब ने आपको आखिरी में दिलाई है, चरक संगीता और उससे भी, कि तन समर्पित, मन समर्पित और ये जीवन समर्पित। तन समर्पित, मन समर्पित और ये जीवन समर्पित, चाहता हूं देश की माटी तुझे कुछ और भी दूं। इस भाव को देश कभी मत निकालना। इस भारत माता ने जो हमें एक छत्र दिया है, एक छाया दी है, उस छाया को अपने दिल से कभी भाव को ख़त्म मत होने देना। एम्पैथाइजिंग, अगर आप पूछें कि मेरे ज़िंदगी को मैं अगर एक शब्द में आपके सामने कहूँ, 45 वर्षों के इस प्रोफेशन में मैं गूगल पर देख रहा था कि मुझे पॉलिटिक्स, मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि मैं पॉलिटिक्स में जाऊंगा, कभी नहीं। और सच तो ये है कि जिस दिन अरुण जेटली जी और सुषमा स्वराज जी आज इस दुनिया में नहीं रहे, मेरे मेंटर रहे थे अटल जी, उन्होंने मुझसे कहा कि महेश चलो तुम चुनाव लड़ो, तो मेरे मुंह से एकदम स्वभाव से निकल गया। तो मैंने कहा जी मुझे इस राजनीति की गंदगी में क्यों खींच रहे हो? तो सुषमा जी बहुत बोलने में तेज थी, उन्होंने कहा हम क्या गंदगी में पड़े हैं? मैंने कहा आई टेक माई वर्ड्स बैक, आई अपोलोजाइज, आई डेंट मीन टू से दैट। कहते जाओ चलो तुम्हें चुनाव लड़ना है नोएडा से। मैंने घर जाकर अपनी पत्नी से पूछा, जो हार्ड ओनियन है, हार्ड अनियन, अब उसने जो कहा वो भी हार्ड अनियन जैसा ही था। उसने कहा पॉलिटिक्स में जाना है? उसने कहा तलाक अभी दूं या सवेरे का इंतजार करूं? बेटी उस वक्त MBBS कर रही थी। बेटी के पास गया, मैंने कहा बेटा सुषमा जी जेटली जी कह रहे हैं पॉलिटिक्स में चले जाओ। कहते नहीं पापा, पॉलिटिशियंस आर नॉट सीन विद द गुड आइज। मैंने कहा तुझे अच्छा नहीं लगेगा? ये तो पुलिस वाले गार्ड तेरे पापा के साथ आएंगे, यू विल नॉट फील प्राउड ऑफ सेइंग सो। कहते नहीं पापा, थिंक टू ट्वाइस, पॉलिटिक्स इज नॉट द जेंटलमैन्स कप ऑफ टी। ये बेटी से जवाब मिला। बेटा था वो बोला देख लो पापा, बहुत अच्छा तो नहीं है। और फिर भाग्य ने नरेंद्र मोदी जी जैसे प्रधानमंत्री के साथ, पहली बार का सांसद था मैं, पहली बार का मेंबर पार्लियामेंट बना। सवेरे सवेरे प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने घर पर बुलाया, एक उनका PS आया, मेरी पॉकेट में एक छोटी सी स्लिप डाल गया। उसमें लिखा था कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज प्लीज टू गिव यू इंडिपेंडेंट चार्ज मिनिस्टर ऑफ टूरिज्म, कल्चर एंड सिविल एविएशन। अब मैं उस वक्त तो नहीं पढ़ा, मैं बाहर आ गया। बाहर आके जब पढ़ा उस स्लिप पे, तो मैंने कहा साहब पहली बार के मैं वापस गया लौट के। मैंने कहा साहब मैं तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर सोच के भी नहीं आया था कि आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मुझे दोगे तो राज्य मंत्री स्वास्थ्य दे दोगे डॉक्टर होने के नाते, आपने ये इंडिपेंडेंट चार्ज मिनिस्टर। और आप समझिए पॉलिटिक्स में भी इसका, आई एम द ओनली पर्सन जिसको पहली बार के MP को 4 मिनिस्ट्री एनवायरनमेंट ये मिलकर इंडिपेंडेंट चार्ज मिनिस्ट्री पहली बार के MP को मिली है 50 साल की आज़ादी में। तो आप पॉलिटिक्स में भी जा सकते हो। और एक IAS को मैंने डराया ही था, उसने कहा था वो थोड़ा सा डॉक्टरों से नाराज़ रहता था। मैंने कहा देखो मैं IAS बन सकता हूँ, तुम्हें डॉक्टर बनने में बड़ा कष्ट होना पड़ेगा, बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी। तो साथियों ये बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं शेयर करने को। आज बहुत अच्छा लग रहा, आज अपनों के बीच, अपनों के द्वारा अपने जज्बात, अपने यादें लेकर, और अगर अपने इस कॉलेज के लिए, अपनी इस मेडिकल फ्रेटर्निटी के लिए, आप सबके लिए अगर मैं ज़िंदगी में कभी भी कहीं खड़ा हो सका, कुछ भी कर सका, तो ये मेरे जीवन का सौभाग्य होगा। कभी भी आप कहीं भी रहें, मैं आपको बता देना चाहता हूं कि UCMS का एल्यूमिनस डे होता है, और मैंने आज तक सिर्फ वो एक बार जब मैं आउट ऑफ कंट्री था, डॉक्टर गुरनानी तो नहीं है, अनिल गुरनानी, गिरीश है यहाँ पर, मैंने कभी आज तक वो मिस नहीं किया, चाहे थोड़ी देर के लिए ही जाऊँ। इस एल्यूमिनस के बीच की यादें, इस एल्यूमिनस के बीच की इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरीज़, और सच में इस जो वो स्ट्रगलिंग फेज़ और जो सब कुछ मिला वो इस UCMS वर्ड से मुझे मिला है। मैं गर्व से कहीं सीना चौड़ा करके कहता हूँ कि मैं जहाँ भी हूँ वो मुझे उस UCMS की 4 दीवारी की, उस दीवारों की यादों के साथ मिला है। और इस यादों के साथ कि मेरे टीचर्स ने, मेरी इस कॉलेज ने मुझे बहुत कुछ दिया है। अब मेरी टर्न है कि मैं इस कॉलेज को, अपने इन टीचर्स को क्या सम्मान के रूप में, क्या कर ज़िंदगी के किसी भी रूप में जहां आप पहुंचेंगे वापस कर सकूं। और अल्टीमेट तो ऑफ कोर्स वो भारत माता है जिस देश को मैं क्या वापस कर सकूं, और अपने प्रोफेशन में जाकर दोस्तों ये जो डॉक्टर शब्द आपको मिला है, इस पर किसी तरह का दाग मत लगने देना। इन शब्दों के साथ मैं आप सबको शुभकामनाएं देता हूं, बधाई देता हूं आज सबको जिनको डिग्री मिली है। और आपके लिए तो ये यादगार क्षण रहा ही है, लेकिन डॉक्टर पीयूष जी, आपने जो मेरी ज़िंदगी के डायरी जब कभी मरने के बाद लिखी जाएगी तो उसमें आज का दिन भी लिखा जाएगा। ये मेरे लिए क्षण का बात है। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, नमस्कार।
Thank you so much, sir, for those thought-provoking words. Givers Club. I think these words of wisdom will keep ringing in the minds of young doctors passing out in today's convocation ceremony. I would now invite our principal, sir, Professor Piyush Gupta, to offer the vote of thanks.
Thank you. This is the most difficult vote of thanks of my life. Why? सर ने कहा तारे ज़मीन पर, तारे स्टेज पर, तारे स्टेज के नीचे. Because despite the nomenclature of chief guest, guest of honor, distinguished guest, guest dignitaries, etc., there is no guest here today. आपने देखा, यहाँ सब घर के लोग हैं और कोई मेहमान नहीं है. तो मैं धन्यवाद किसे दूं? ये यूसीएमएस की हेरिटेज है, ये यूसीएमएस की लेगेसी है और सम्मान है जो आज मंच पर और नीचे इस सभागार में इस उत्सव में सैकड़ों चांद लगा रहे हैं. घर के मुखिया के रूप में दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय से प्रोफेसर योगेश सिंह राह दिखाने के लिए प्रोफेसर बलराम पानी, श्री प्रकाश सर और विकास जी आज हमें आशीर्वाद देने के लिए यहाँ उपस्थित हैं. हमारे अपने यूसीएमएस की फसल न केवल देश में बल्कि विदेशों में भी लहलहा रही है और उसकी छाह में पले बड़े कुछ पौधे आज वट वृक्ष बन गए हैं. डॉक्टर महेश शर्मा सर, डॉक्टर राजीव बहल, डॉक्टर अतुल गोयल, डॉक्टर गिरीश त्यागी, डॉक्टर धीरज शाह इसके जीवंत प्रमाण हैं. मैं अपने चेयरमैन प्रोफेसर महेश वर्मा एवं जीटीबी हॉस्पिटल की मेडिकल डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर अस्मिता राठौर और समस्त यूसीएमएस जीटीबी परिवार की ओर से सिर्फ प्रभु का धन्यवाद करता हूं कि आप सभी का आशीर्वाद और सानिध्य आज हमारे नव विकसित पुष्प पल्लवों को मिला और इसी की बदौलत ये यूसीएमएस की सुगंध और नाम पूरे विश्व में फैलाएं, यही हमारी आज की कामना है. मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा आप सभी के अभिभावकों का. जितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं, मुझे खेद है मैं उनको आमंत्रित नहीं कर पाया क्योंकि हमें लगा सभागार में थोड़े कमी रहेगी स्थान की, बट मैं अभिवादन और धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ आप सबके पेरेंट्स का जिन्होंने हमें ये अवसर दिया कि हम आपकी देखरेख करें और आपको सम्मानित कर आज गौरवान्वित महसूस करें. यूसीएमएस और दिल्ली विश्वविद्यालय के घर के सभी सदस्य आप सभी छात्रों को हार्दिक शुभकामनाओं के साथ विश्व की सेवा. सर ने कह दिया बहुत कुछ, मैं सिर्फ 2 शब्द कहूंगा. हम आपको विश्व की सेवा और विश्व की अगुवाई के लिए समर्पित करते हैं और आशा करते हैं आप अपनी जड़ों को भूलेंगे नहीं. धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Dhanyavad, sir. I would now request all the audience and everyone in this hall to rise for the national anthem.
पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Ladies and gentlemen, with this, we now come to the end of today's program. The convocation culminates with the return of the academic procession. May I request you all to kindly rise as the procession leaves the auditorium. Please join us for lunch after that. Thank you so much.